Hello, welcome to this Python course. In this course, I will be using Jupyter notebooks to teach the concepts of Python. We will be starting with the introduction to Python. So I'll be sharing all these notebooks in the resource section in this course. So this is our first notebook of introduction to Python. I have downloaded the HTML form of these notebooks to teach the concepts which I have included in the Markdown cells. So let's start with the introduction to Python. So mainly what is Python? Python is a language with which we communicate with the Python interpreter. So as per the basic definition, Python is a high-level interpreted programming language known for its simplicity and readability. It was created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python has become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Let's try to understand some of these terms. Like, what do you mean by the term high level? High level is something which keeps the user away from the complex details of the computer. It abstracts the user from the low level details of the computer and allows them to focus more on coding rather than dealing with the hardware level details. So that's the meaning of high level programming language. Why it's known as interpreted? Uh, if you're familiar with some programming languages like C++, Java, they're compiled into machine code, and then you're able to see the output. But as compared to them, the Python is an interpreted programming language. That is, it is converted line by line instead of whole program into machine code. That's why it is known as interpreted. It is fast and easier to test and debug as compared to other compiled languages. It is known for its simplicity and readability. Why it's known as simple? Because the syntax is very easy to understand. It is quite similar to the normal English language. That's why it makes very easy for the beginners to learn the concepts and the syntax. And its readability is also very much better as compared to other programming languages. It was first created in 1991, so it's there from last three decades. And because of this, we have a large community available working on Python. That's why it is one of the most popular programming languages in the world.